Knowledge for kids. Have you ever wondered, why do bees buzz? Let's dive into the buzzing world of bees and find out. Bees are amazing little creatures. That buzzing sound you hear comes from their wings. Bees flap their wings super fast. Up to 200 times per second. That's faster than you can blink. When their wings move so quickly, they push the air around them. This creates vibrations, and those vibrations turn into the buzzing sound we hear. But did you know buzzing isn't just about flying? Bees also buzz when they are working hard. When collecting pollen, some bees, like bumblebees, shake their bodies to make the flowers release pollen. This is called buzz pollination. Bees also buzz to talk to each other. Inside the hive, buzzing helps bees communicate. They use it to share important messages, like where to find yummy flowers or to warn about danger. So next time you hear a bee buzzing, don't be scared. They are busy helping flowers, making honey, or chatting with their bee friends. Isn't it cool how bees use buzzing for so many things? Remember, bees are our friends, they help our plants grow and make the world colorful. Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed learning today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature stories. If you have any questions regarding what you learned in the video, please feel free to ask in the comments.